ngiti natin, ano? Yung mga ngiti natin, napakalaking inspirasyon na yan para doon sa ating mga kaklase. Malaking inspirasyon na yan para doon sa ating mga teachers at sa mga estudyante na nandito, nakikinig at nakaisa sa pagdiriwang ng ating homecoming. Alam niyo itong ganitong pagkakataon, isang modelo ito, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kabataan. Sabi ko nga yung, pag ako may kinakausap na mga subordinate o mga kasamahan ko, sabi nila, ano ba ang magagawa natin upang magkaroon tayo ng pagbabago? And my answer is consistent. If I want to change the world, let it begin with me. Ngayon, kung tayo nandito, nakikita ng mga kabataan sa kapaligiran natin na tayo ay may pagkakaisa, na tayo ay nagpapakita ng kabutihan, alam ko, hindi na natin kinakailangang magsalita. Sa pamamagitan pa lamang ng magandang ehemplo natin, itutuwid na natin yung landas na nais nating tahakin ng ating mga kabataan. And above all, with this unity message, sabi ko nga, behold, how good and how pleasant it is for classmates to dwell together in unity. Kasama din yan, of course, the true God who is the author of unity for all of us. Yung ating Panginoon na hindi kumikilala kung sino man tayo, no? Kung ano man yung pinagdaanan natin, kung ano man yung status natin ngayon, pare-pareho lang tayo. When it comes to that matter, na lahat tayo ay anak ng Diyos, pare-pareho tayo. Nagpapasalamat ako dun sa opening prayer ng ating mga pastor, classmates. Nandiyan si Pastor Ray, nandiyan si Pastor Bobby, si Pastor Carlito, si Lito, si Boy Hader, nandito rin ba? Okay, I would like to acknowledge yung kanilang pagdarasal para sa ating class. Sapagkat kailangan kamat muli mga kaklase. And again, ipinagbubunyi ko ang Batch 76. Nandyan yun ng ating team, 76ers. Still, laugh out loud after 35. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
Thank you po. walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misting in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that his love still lies the same, there's no way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he's gone. The river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The streets are barren everywhere. The streets are full of strangers.
The pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up in what our struggling would be. With my terrible state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. Of the man I used to be. Yet it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. Too much love will kill you, because you is not alone. The pain and parties in you make you bleed and scream and groan. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time.